How to measure land area in Google Maps. Let's get started. Launch a Google Maps. Once you're over here, click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. You'll find different option, but you won't find the option to measure land. To measure land, you will need to download this app, Google Earth. You can get this app easy from the Play Store or App Store. Once you download this app, launch it, then log in. You will be directed to this page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find an icon. Click on this measurement icon. Now select starting point. So I have selected this college. Click on add point option. Now select another point. Then click on add point. Click on done. Just for that, you're gonna find the length. Clicking on this drop down, you can set the length in centimeters, meters, kilometers, nautical miles, inches, feet. Here you're gonna find tons of options. Set it to any option of your choice. So this is how you can measure land area. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.